South Korea has experienced its heaviest snowfall in over 100 years, drawing a lot of attention. Imagine 18 centimeters of snow falling in Seoul, not just a large amount, but a historical event. The last time such weather phenomena were recorded was back in 1907, making us reflect on climate change and its consequences. Unfortunately, there have been casualties, 4 people have died, and the number of injured raises concerns about the dangers of such weather. A particularly tragic incident occurred on a golf course where a snow-laden net collapsed on people. 2 others died in traffic accidents on roads east of the capital. Poor road conditions caused a massive crash involving 53 cars in the city of Wonju. It's no surprise that the weather paralyzed transportation. More than 140 flights were canceled, ferries stopped operating, and train services are facing major delays. This situation reminds me of the recent floods in Spain, where flights were also canceled and train routes were closed due to severe weather. These events make us think about global climate changes. The snowstorm in Seoul and the floods in Spain are just 2 major events in recent months, confirming that nature is becoming increasingly unpredictable.
I'm really grateful to each of you for watching my videos.